In the meantime, I will tell you about the necessary preparations for any horse for any kind of work, namely, about cleaning the area around the saddle and quick general cleaning as well. You should start with the neck. Put a hard brush or a groomer on your left hand. Move like this, brushing the hair and massaging the horse's neck at the same time. People say that this is how the mother mare begins to wash their little foals. Therefore, by feeling your hand stroking it, a horse will trust and enjoy the sensation. However, the main purpose is to quickly remove the dirt from the area where the saddle will sit, between the withers and the hips. Comb the loin and the back especially carefully with a dandy brush, lifting the hair and removing all possible lumps of dirt. Then brush them off with a soft brush. Here you need to put in some real effort. This is still not exactly a visit to the salon before a ball, but just a little cleaning in front of the saddle. Of course, you could also clean the legs, but after 50 yards, they'll look the same again. Therefore, go for the zone where the saddle sits and the zone where the girth will lie. This is a very important area. The cinch is tightly pressed against the horse, and any lump of dirt can rub against their skin. Withers, back, loins, crupper. Repeat the same on the other side, and your horse will be ready for its saddle.